H Copy Trading Review 2025 Pros and Cons, honest and unbiased. Most people get crypto trading wrong by diving in without guidance. H Copy Trading in 2025 allows you to follow experienced traders, but is it worth the risk? Which lets users replicate trades of top-performing crypto traders automatically. The surprising truth is its accessibility. You won't believe what happens next when even beginners can enter the market without complex analysis, potentially benefiting from professional strategies. Another benefit is transparency. Most people get this wrong by assuming copy trading is blind. It provides detailed performance stats, risk scores, and historical returns, helping users make informed decisions. However, there are risks. Past performance doesn't guarantee future results, and market volatility can lead to losses. Fees and trading limits should also be considered before committing funds. In conclusion, H Copy trading is ideal for those who want hands-off exposure to crypto markets with guidance. If used wisely and combined with risk management, it can be a useful tool in 2025. Beginners should start small and monitor trades closely to avoid surprises.